Good morning, afternoon, evening. My name is Ezra and welcome to my cosplay breakdown of my Punk Bakugou musician look. I first thought of this idea way back in the beginning of the year, always thinking how fitting a punk style would look on Bakugou. I did a lot of research to make sure my clothing choices are accurate. I mainly combined several eras of punk fashion into one mega combo, which I believe turned out really well. For the colors, I mainly stayed with Bakugou's hero costume colors of black and orange. For overall style, I combined punk fashion from mainly the 60s, 70s, and 80s, with ripped up orange skinny jeans, a black blazer, and a lot of fishnets, plus my combat boots, which I already owned. For accessories, I utilized the extensive use of buttons and patches usually seen in punk fashion, accentuating mainly the blazer with them. I also accessorized with some orange sunglasses, fake tattoo sleeves, spiked wristbands, and a couple extra piercings. Every single piece of my outfit, with the exception of my combat boots, were bought from either eBay or Amazon, so props to them for putting my entire outfit together. The microphone was a last-minute touch that I thought would be fun to add into the performance aspect of the look. For my photo shoot and this video, I jerry-rigged a microphone stand from one of the poles from my backdrop stand. Hey, whatever works, right? Makeup-wise, I did my usual Bakugou makeup, but made the contour a bit more angled and chiseled. I felt that look suited this concept a bit better, even though Bakugou is still a baby-faced boy. If you'd like to see a makeup tutorial from my Bakugou look, feel free to leave a comment down below and let me know. The wig is just my standard Bakugou wig I've had for 2 years now. I'd also be willing to do a Bakugou wig tutorial if anyone is interested in that as well. Thank you for watching my breakdown video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more from me, feel free to check out my Patreon and become a florette. You'll have early access to all of my content, as well as some amazing extras that no one else can see. We have a great little community there, and I would love to have all of you guys there as well. Thank you all again for being here, and I really appreciate all of your continued support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!